Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it would be super fun to show you guys a hairstyle that I have never tried on myself before. So we're gonna do this together. So it's actually like a fake faux braid. You just need a whole bunch of elastics, some dry shampoo, and you're good to go. So if you don't know how to braid, this is kind of the next best thing to make it look like you braided. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I already have dry shampoo in my hair. It makes it thicker and you want to kind of get some volume. My hair is very thin and very fine, so it's full of dry shampoo for some texture, which will be good for me later on. So the first thing we're gonna do is just part it down the middle, because I like to do pigtail braids. So we're gonna go ahead and part it down the middle. Now I'm just going to brush this out and pull it in a ponytail out of the way so I don't drag it to the other side. Okay, first thing, we're going to brush it out. It'll be a lot easier if it's brushed. Okay, so what we're going to do is I have some clear elastics here. I have colored ones, but I have just a little bit of clear ones. So we're going to try these. The color would stand out so much in my hair, which is fine, but I'm not feeling colored today. So we're gonna part this off little section, and then we're just gonna go ahead and tie it. If you want it messy, that's totally fine, because we're gonna mess it up at the end anyways. And I'm not gonna part it, or I'm not gonna tie it too tight. Since my hair is very thin, I'm just gonna wrap it around 3 times. So it secures it, but it's not completely like really tight. So pull that in, and then we're gonna do the same thing again. Get another section. I'm not used to having this much dry shampoo in my hair, so it's really thick. So you're gonna tie the second section. I'm just gonna wrap it around 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here is the part of the main part of the braid. So you're gonna take the first section, split it in half, the one that's on top, split it like this, and then you're gonna take the second one. So the first one's gonna go to the back, and the second one is gonna come up to the front. I actually don't have a clip. Oh, I do have a clip. So I have this clip like this, and so this is the second one, and the first one is parted. So the first one was split, and it's gonna connect into the third section. So we're gonna find the part. Now this is the third section right here. We're gonna add the first to the third. So you're gonna skip a section. So you parted it, skip the second, go to the third, and then you basically repeat the whole thing. Now we're gonna let go. This is the second piece. Now, since your first piece is pinned down, the one that's on top, split it in half. The one below it, bring it forward. And now the one that came below, now we're going to add it to number 4. So number 2 goes to 4, number 1 goes to 3, and then you just keep doing that all the way down. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the other side. Brush it out. everything in place and we just have the bottom, and I have one elastic left, one clear one left. So now we're just gonna take this and we're just gonna rubber band it, and then I'm just gonna pull it through, flip it through the hole and pull it through like that. Now we're gonna go on to my colored ones. That is, okay, I'm surprised I even had clear ones. So we'll use some yellow ones. So now I'm just gonna tie it again down here, loosely tie it, get a hole, and then flip it through like that. We'll do one more, and then we'll probably do like a messy bottom or something. Now I'm gonna do the other side. So now this is the best part. We're gonna go through and pull out all the ponytails, and we're just gonna kind of pull everything, make it messy, make it loose, and then it'll just kind of give everything more volume and make the braid really pop. So I'm just gonna turn around and we're just gonna pull everything out. You guys, what do you think? I didn't even braid. All I did was section it off, part it off, and tie it. Here is the final look. So now go ahead and use your favorite hairsprays, your hair products to make everything stay. So if you guys have thick hair and you have a lot of texture in your hair, this is probably a better deal for you than it is for me. My hair is flat, it's fine, it's very thin, it's not really plumping up. If I wanted to kind of put more product in it, I could probably get it, but this is the best we're gonna do. This is my first time doing it, so I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna go ahead and curl the ends of these to kind of make them blend in a little bit, make it a little bit more messy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.